So today we're going to talk about one of my biggest pet peeves with riding a motorcycle. Might seem stupid to some, but I don't know, for some reason it just bothers me. Stay tuned. So one of my biggest pet peeves with riding and with other riders out there is when you give a little wave, you give one of these bad boys, and they don't wave back. Now, I get it. You're not going to see every single person that waves. Half the time I'm in my own little world. I'm not paying as much attention as maybe I should be, which I guess I shouldn't say that, but I mean, I get it. It happens. I'm not expecting it all the time. But when a biker looks at you, I was going to say in the eyes, in the helmet, and you give them a wave and they don't give you a wave, fuck you. I mean, for real. Like, we all got respect for each other. Maybe, you know, I'm not the biggest cruiser guy, but if I see a Harley, I still give him a wave. It's still two wheels. Just respect. Stay safe. Be safe. You know, everyone's got their different world of motorcycling that they're in, and there should be respect between everyone. For some reason, it seems to be, most of the time when it's someone that doesn't wave, seems to be a Harley rider. I'm not singling you guys out, but for the most part, they see a sport bike and they just shake their heads. I get it. You overpaid for an outdated, slow motorcycle. This thing's a sport bike. I probably paid a quarter of what you paid, and I can ride circles around you. But no need to get your panties in a bunch. Give me a wave. Sport bike riders, we don't bite. Just say what's up. Respect. Hey, hello. Nice to see you. I see you on the road. I see you're on two wheels. Might just be a stupid pet peeve, but you know what? It really grinds my gears sometimes. Let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe. Shoot some comments down in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know if you agree with me. And as always, take it easy out there.